Hello everyone, just delay. This is Wangmo. Welcome back to my channel again. And it is 9:30 in the morning and an hour before my work time. So I want to go for my breakfast first, the Tibetan noodles and the sweet tea. So for this chance, I'd like to take you to feel the atmosphere of the sweet tea house in Lhasa. Let's go. This is Guangming Gangchong Sweet Tea House, with Gangchong Sakang, one of the oldest houses in Lhasa, which has been open for more than half a century. A lot of locals like to come here in the morning. And now I'm going to order my food. 장어무 니담지.
니담종이.
there are 투바지. Okay, I got my tickets and I need to use this to get my noodles and my sweet tea. You need to bring in your own cup. Most of these are self-service. Or you can take your own cup instead of ordering tea. Sit down, put money next to the cup, and the sister here will help you pour tea. There are a lot of people today, so I find a corner, sit down beside strangers, and enjoy my breakfast. This is the sweet tea house that I often go, and today I met some friends from Shandong. Say hi. Hello. So I'm gonna to ask some questions from the friends. So let's go. 你好，你们是第一次来这个拉萨站？
对，我们第一次过来。
那就是说，你们是怎么来到这个茶馆的呢？
我是经过一个藏民朋友的推荐，他说这个地方体验感很好，所以我们过来试一下。
那这个面和茶的话，就感觉不一样了。
感觉跟我们内地的这个饮食的风格完全是不一样，是一种非常好的一个体验。
好的。
对。
那你们以后还有打算想推荐别人过来？
肯定的，而且我们还会带过来的。
好的，谢谢。So exactly, the sweet tea house is not only popular among Tibetan people, but also among the tourists. The day in Lhasa begins at a sweet tea house. In Lhasa in winter, the sun does not rise until more than 9 o'clock. Every morning, the sun will shine into the bright sweet tea house in a warm yellow tone on time. Sweet tea houses are to Lhasa people what coffee shops are to French people. There is where many of our Tibetans gather. There are often full of people who like to drink tea, chat, and play game here. Finally, I should return the tea bottle. So if you have chance to come to Lhasa, I sincerely recommend you to go to the sweet tea house once. In Tibet, you can see sweet tea house everywhere, so you can experience it wherever you go. Okay, it's time to say goodbye to everyone. I'll see you next time. Bye. Just delay.